Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is entitled as Improvising Personalized Travel Recommendation System with Regency FX. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So basically in this project the authors have proposed a new concept of recommending the travel destinations of a individual user, which is a personalized one. So personalized means it should be changing according to the user. So for example, if I am a user, it should recommend the places according to me, and if other user is there, if it should not recommend the same thing for me. So this is a personalized recommendation system. And also here the authors have used the Twitter data. So based on the Twitter data, the authors have proposed a concept where it will be identifying the tweets using the machine learning classifier, and it will be extracting the places of interest and also their moods, that is whether it is a positive one or a negative one. Based on the user tweet they are posting, some may like the place, some may not like the place. And other thing is, like, in this concept the authors have taken into the account of most recent interest. So this is the main point that the author indicates here, that is the differentiate between the existing one and the proposed one. So basically in the existing models they are not taking the most recent time of interest, they are taking the overall interest. But here the authors have proposed a concept where it should take into the user's recent mode, that is if he likes a park recently, he would have not liked in earlier, or in case he would have liked the park now and later you would have not liked it. So according to the recent interest, based on the recent tweet or post made by the user, it should be making the recommendation system. And here we are not using any particular classifier, machine learning classifier, but we are using the main objective of the concept, and we will be classifying the tweets, and also we'll be identifying the places, and we'll do the personalized recommendation model also. And this is the system architecture where you can see the tweets are being classified and travel tweets and sentiment analysis made. And also here you can see the places of travel and category, and accordingly the places being ranked. So this is the overall architecture, and this is the main objective of this paper. So now let us see the execution of the project. So we have developed this project in NetBeans IDE 8.2. So first open this NetBeans IDE 8.2 and go to file menu and click open project. So go to the project folder now. And select the source code, and now kindly wait till the project is being loaded into the NetBeans IDE completely. So meanwhile we'll go to the database part and attach the database there. So open MySQL administrator and go to restore option and select open backup file. Now go to the project folder location and go to the database folder and select the database and click open, and now click start restore. Now kindly wait till the complete restoration operation has been completed. And now you can see the restoration operation was finished successful message. Now close it. Now you can close this MySQL administrator. Now coming back to the NetBeans IDE, so till wait, the 100% scan has been going on. So kindly wait till this progress has been completed. And now you can see the complete process has been completed. So now just right click this and click run. Now it takes few more time to load the project into the web browser part, so kindly wait for it. And now you can see the welcome screen or home screen of the project with the project title Improvising Personalized Travel Recommendation System with Regency Effect, and the abstract that is mentioned in the base paper. And now you can see the two entities, that is user part and admin part. So first let me go to the user part. So you in the user part, first you can see the user login. So as I am a new user, I'll be going for the registration part first. So this is the user registration page. So in the user registration page, let me enter the details of the user. And after entering the name, date of birth, email, gender, phone number, address, password and profile photo, you can click sign up. And now you can see the registration as success message and click OK. And now it will be navigated to the user login page where you can enter the email ID and the password that you have used during the registration part, and then click login. And now you can see the login is successful and click OK. So now you can see the welcome screen with the username, with the photo and their name details, their profile details. And here you can see the options of the online social networking model, that is the timeline. So in the timeline you can see who are all the people posted the tweets, and in the people part you can see who are all the people available. And if you wanted to follow someone, you can by click follow, you can follow. You can see this, now I have followed this person, so it is showing following. And if you wanted to follow some other person, you can click follow, and you can post the tweets here, and here you can see the recommendation. And if you wanted to personally message to any particular user, you can able to chat with them. And if someone has given a private message to you, you can see those messages over here. And here you can see the followers who are following you. Currently there is no follower, and you can see the following, so who you are following. So currently I clicked the person follow, so it is been updated here. And you can see these options which are all available in the online social network will be shown over here. So now let me log out. So now let me go to the user part and let me register by some other name. So for example, let me register with the name Ajit. And click sign up. Now the registration is complete successful. Let me log in with the same registered username currently. So now you can see I have registered 2 person, and here is the second person details where you can see the earlier registration part. So now you can see the Jayprakash, which is the user, my first user, which I reserved, is been updated over here also. Let me click follow here for this person. And if you wanted to message that particular user, as I said, the direct message, you can just click this message part and you can give some messages over here. And you can also add some images for that message and click. Now let me log out from this user. Let me go to the first user. And go to the messages part, view message part, and here you can see the message given by that user here and the photo which he sent. and in the followers part you can see that it has been earlier there was no follower for this user. Now you can see the follower has been updated over here. So till now we have seen the basic operations of the online social networking. So what are all the things that will available or been done over here. Now let us go to the core concept of the project. So here you can see posting the tweets here. So here you can post any kinds of the tweets. So the tweet emotions will be identified, and it will be classified in the administrative part, and based on that the recommendations will be shown. So now let me show you some few samples. So I have posted a tweet saying that the Bharati Park in Pondicherry is so clean and beautiful. I love being there, and I have made a hashtag of park over here. So now let me post some image. For example, let me put some image for this, and then give post. And now if you go to the timeline part, and here you can see the timeline that I have posted. The Bharati Park in Pondicherry so clean and neat, beautiful, and I love being there. So now let me log out from the user part. So I'll be going to the other entity, that is the admin part. So now let me enter the admin credentials and click login. And once the login is successful, you can see the welcome screen of the admin. And here you can see let us go to the view tweets part. So if you go to view tweets option, here you can see the tweets posted by all the user, and this is the last tweet that is made by the me, that is Jay Prakash, and what is the tweet is being displayed. And here you can see the score of the tweet, that is it is whether it is positive or negative, or so based on the classification. So here the score is updated as 3.0, and here you can see the classified result, the final sentiment analysis. The score is 3.0 and the sentiment analysis result is positive. So according to the tweet words that we have made, so it will be classifying as positive or negative. So now the classification part is made. So now let me log out. So now let us check the recommendation part now. So let me log into the user part again and click login. And now if you go to the recommendation part, here you can see the recommended places. So here you can see the location is Pondicherry, and what is the description of that place. So here you can see other park, that is Coco Park. Here you can see other location, that is Chennai. Here is the Gindi National Park. So as the user has a positive thing on the park, so the park places have been recommended over here. So this is as I mentioned earlier, it is a personalized one. Now let us see for the other user part. So let me log out from this user. So now let me go to the other user which I have created, ajit@gmail.com, and click login. Now let me go to the tweet part. Now in this user post tweet part, so let me post some other related tweet for this user, because every user does not have the same kind of mood. So here let me post about some other place. So for example, let me take a museum. So let me take Pondicherry So let me post some tweet regarding like this, that is Pondicherry hashtag museum is very good and informative about French colony, and let me post some image for this for sample and let me post it. And now in the timeline you can see the tweet posted by this user Ajit. Now let us see what is the classification made for sentiment analysis made for this user in the admin part. So in the admin part, go to the view tweets part, and view tweets part, now you can see the tweet made by the user Ajit where it is being classified as positive and the score is 1. Okay, so now let me log out and see the recommendation part of this user. Now in the recommendation part you can see the recommended place is being changed. So earlier you would have seen for the user Jayaprakash it is been recommended the park places. Now you can see it is completely different, and here you can see the location and the description. The Government Museum of Chennai, location is Madurai, and Gandhi Memorial Museum of Madurai. So you can see the personalized recommendation. So it does not recommend the same places to all the user, as it is a personalized thing, so it will be recommending according to the user's mood and the preferences made. And now let me log out from this part, user part. Now let me go to the admin part. So here in the admin part, now let us see the other options of the admin part. So we have seen some places, that is the categories, that is park, museum, such kind of thing. And if you wanted to add those things, you can add in this option, that is add place option, where you can see the details that you can add it. So for example, let me enter these details now. So let me enter Hyderabad category. Let me enter some historic building. Now let me enter the place Charminar and give some description. Charminar in Hyderabad, etc. You can give something like this, and let me add some image for this and then click submit. And now you can see the place is added successfully, and click OK. And now if you wanted to see what all the places added, just go to view places option. There you can see all the places. So that is the image with the location, category, name and description. So you can add the categories like here park, restaurant, museum, historical buildings, etc. And here you can see now the place that we have added, the Hyderabad historical building Charminar details. And now you can see in the admin part these details like adding the places. We have seen that one. So in case if you added these places in the user part, that will be recommended by showing these details according to the user preference. And in the admin part you can see the user details, who are all the users available with the user ID, photo, name, date of birth, email ID. And here you can view the tweets. These we have seen, this option we have seen. So with the Twitter ID, user ID, name, tweet, score, sentiment analysis and the photo of it. And view places we have seen that. And final is the graph part. So in the graph part you can see the graph with the positive and negative tweets. So this is a dynamic graph, so this varies according to the tweets that is posted by the user. And here you can see now there are 3 positive tweets and you can see 1 negative tweet. Accordingly the graph is being changed, it will be modified. So now you can see positive that is 3 and negative is 1. So now let me log out. So now let me show you with some adding some content and show the graph part of it. So now the user, let me log in with the user Ajit. Now let me post some tweet. So now let me post a tweet called triple X restaurant is very bad and no proper response. So let us see what the classification would have made for this. So now let me post this tweet. So now let me log out and go to the admin part. So now in the admin part you can see the view tweets option. So here if you go to the view tweets option, here you can see the tweet that is made. Triple S restaurant is very bad and no proper response, and here you can see the score is minus 0.2.0, and you can see the sentiment analysis is negative. And now let me go to the graph part, and here you can see the graph is being modified. Now positive tweets is 3 and negative tweets will be now increased because the tweet that is made by me. So this graph is dynamic graph, and you can also export this result by saving as JPEG or PNG, and let me export the result and show you. So now let me open the exported result, and this is the exported result of it. And let me log out from the admin part now. And this is all about the project improvising personalized travel recommendation system with Regency FX. And thank you for watching.